Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Play-Doh using only 3 ingredients. This recipe is super simple, and these ingredients are all ingredients you can find at home in your pantry. Today we will be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon plus 1 1/2 teaspoons of oil, and half a cup of water. If you want, you can even add some food coloring. I hope you guys are all having a great day and remembering to stay positive. Flour, get all of the oil out. I'm going to mix the oil and the flour together. Once I have that all mixed in as much as I can, I'm going to set this big bowl aside. And I'm going to grab my half a cup of water and the food coloring. You can choose any color you want, or you can just keep it plain. So I'm going to add about 2 drops and mix that all around. Then I'm going to add the food coloring and the water combination, and then I'm going to mix that all around too. I'm just mixing with a fork, but you can mix with a spoon or whatever you have just laying around your house. I'm going to add just a little bit more flour, and I'm just going to keep mixing until a ball forms. I think I have a ball. You guys can see the ball is forming. Then I grab the dough and I put the ball onto a floured surface. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family who you think would be interested in making this fun Play-Doh. You can eat it with your hands. This part gets a little messy, so you might want to put a little plastic bag or Ziploc down underneath you. Once you guys knead your dough for about 5 minutes, it should be ready to place on the countertop. Okay guys, my ball of dough is right here, and I'm so excited to finally play with it after I have kneaded it with my hand. I can't wait to play with it. I hope you guys love yours too. Okay you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked this easy no-bake Play-Doh recipe, because this is literally so fun, and I can't wait to show all of my friends and family what I made. Bye, have a great day.